welcome back. Today I am going to be making some sweet and sour chicken. This is really a very easy dish to make. It's very simple. You don't need a wok to make it. If you think that you do, you don't. You could just use a regular frying pan. That's what I'm going to do today. I have some chicken tenderloins that I'm going to be using. The other ingredients you will need is some celery, a bell pepper, some carrots. I'm going to be using some bagged cabbage. A little bit easier for me. I don't want a whole big cabbage. So some cabbage, an onion, some cornstarch, some pineapple, and today I'm going to be using the sweet and sour sauce. It's ready-made. It works really well, but you can actually make your own really very quickly. It's very simple. It's brown sugar and some pineapple juice. Okay. I've chopped up my chicken. And if you can see, I've just chopped it up in small squares. Okay, and always make sure you wash your hands when you're handling raw chicken. So, what we're going to do is, in my pan over here, I have some hot oil. I put about 3 tablespoons of oil in my pan to get it ready. I have got all my vegetables chopped up, my peppers, my onions, my celery, my carrots, so they're ready to go. This is a step process. We're going to do it in 2 steps. So what we're going to do, we need to crack an egg over our chicken, just like that. It's going to get a little messy. Take your cornstarch, and you're going to sprinkle your cornstarch over your chicken. It's about a half a cup. I like to add a little breadcrumbs. You don't have to. An eighth of a cup. Alright, then what we're going to do, you got to get in there. We're going to mix it all together. We're going to just mix all that cornstarch up with that chicken and get it all coated. There is no easy way to do this. You got to get in there and do it. There's no other easy way to do that. Get it all nice and coated. I'm gonna wash my hands. Now that the chicken's been coated, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my pan. You want to break it up a little bit. until it gets browned on all sides. Yes, a wok would be easier. I don't have one. I'm not going to go out and buy one. They're expensive. And I don't cook this often enough to warrant it, so, you know, use what you do have. That's the joy of cooking. Use what you do have. Almost there. A nice golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to pour this onto my plate with a napkin. Let that cool. For my veggies, I'm going to pour them all in there at once. I added 3 more tablespoons of oil. Just cook those up. Well, this is a tough one to open. There we go. Got the pineapple open. Just throw a couple tablespoons of pineapple in there. We're going to cook this for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put the chicken back in, and then we're going to add the sauce. But I'm actually going to put everything into a bigger pan so I have room to mix it up. It will already be cooked, so it should be okay. Okay, so you can see I have my battered chicken here, and I have my veggies sauteed in here, and I'm going to go ahead and put this back into the mix. Mix it up. Now I'm going to pour my jar of sweet and sour. Use the whole thing. There you go, folks. Sweet and sour chicken. Serve this over rice or noodles. whichever you prefer. Alrighty, let's try this. Doesn't that look delicious? Looks yummy to me. Alrighty, there you have it, folks. Homemade sweet and sour chicken over rice. You can't beat it. And that is what is for my dinner tonight. Alrighty. Be safe, be kind, be well. Bye-bye.